Acer Predator Helios 300 Gaming Laptop PC PH315-51-78NP. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I'm not going to post a super long review, just what I cared about, what this laptop is, and what it isn't. Pro, insane performance per dollar. Maxing out stuff like Diablo 3, WoW, Overwatch, Doom, various Source Engine games, TF2, Half-Life 2, Black Mesa, etc., will be butter smooth. This is a near desktop replacement device. Pro, one of the best non-mechanical keyboards. Great travel distance and key responsiveness. Pro, lighter than I expected. It's not an ultra-thin notebook, but very travel-friendly. Pro, premium feel. Pro, gorgeous display. It's a 144Hz IPS display. It's gorgeous. There is some light bleed when displaying almost all black screens, but that's expected. Not going to count that as a con. It can get warm, to the point of discomfort near the Z keys, which I assume the GPU is located internally. I turned on the Cool Boost feature or whatever it's called and this helped. Bloatware. Took about 5 minutes to remove, but nobody likes bloatware. Drivers out of box are a joke. My network performance was horrible until several driver installs and Windows updates completed. Drivers are extremely out of date, 8+ months old, out of box. Neutral, design language is typical angsty 14-year-old, red and black, stark angles, and angry-looking Predator logos. I personally don't care, some people might not like the loud looks. Neutral, Predator Sense software, it lets you slightly OC the 1060, which I did. It also lets you set fan curves. There's plenty of third-party software that does all this already, but it's nice of them to try. Neutral, 2-year limited warranty, I hope I don't need it. Neutral, no mechanical storage hard disk, it only has a 256GB NVMe. Not a big deal because I use this exclusively for a handful of games to play while at work, but this might be a turn-off for some. Overall, I am happy with this having spent that amount. I would not pay a cent more, but most laptops in this tier do cost $1,400+. If you want something to play games on the go, are cheap, but demand decent quality, there is your go-to laptop. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.